Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore a quick and simple way to find all the shared links inside a WhatsApp chat on your PC. If you've ever tried to look back for an important website or article that was sent to you weeks ago, this update makes it much easier. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. You'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to scroll and choose the chat you want to search. It could be a one-on-one conversation or even a group chat. Once you've found it, go ahead and click to open the conversation. Now, here's where the new update makes things smoother. At the very top of your chat window, you'll notice the chat's name. Click on that name, and this will take you directly into the contact or group info section. This is where all the media, documents, and links shared within that chat are organized neatly. Inside the info section, look for the option labeled Links. Select it, and just like that, you'll see a complete list of every link that has ever been shared in that conversation. The links are shown in order, with the newest ones right at the top. You can scroll through to find older links, or simply click on any item to open it immediately in your browser. This feature is especially useful if someone sends you links often, whether they're work-related materials, articles, or just funny videos from friends. Instead of searching through endless messages, you now have a central place dedicated only to the links. And here's a helpful tip. Once you're inside the links section, you can copy, open, or even forward a link straight from that list, making it not just a history log, but also a tool for sharing and managing the information you need. So now you know exactly how to locate every shared link inside a WhatsApp chat on your PC. No more scrolling endlessly through old messages. With just a few clicks, you have everything neatly organized at your fingertips.